Alright guys, today I have a new update for you on how you can earn money on Telegram, just like the way we were mining before on Telegram. Just like Telegram mining, but this one you will not mine. You earn money by just watching ads. Now guys, I'll be dropping the link on the description of this video or first comment section of this video because I don't want this video to be long. So once you click on the link, it will be bringing you like this. So what you have to do, you have to click on start, just like the way you have seen mine here. So you have to click on start. Once you click on start, then you click on open ads. So guys, just like the way I said earlier, you just watch videos to earn. You watch videos to earn, or you watch ads to earn. That is very, very simple. Now this is SuPay. With this SuPay, any ads you watch, you get some passive income. Any ad you watch. Now how do we do that? Once it opens like this, guys, as you can see, this is my dashboard. Once it opens like this, what you're going to be doing next, you have to click on this N. You click on this N. Once you click on this N, so guys, as you can see, start earning. You click on start earning. Once you click on this start earning like this is an ad that pop up. So you have to wait for this ad to finish counting up here. So depending on the ad, depending on the ad. So this is the only thing you need to do, and then you can be able to withdraw a minimum of 1 SUI. You can sorry guys. So guys, as you can see, the ad has been done. So you click on this cancel icon here. So guys, it will take you back. So guys, as you can see, 20%. Now this is what you just have to be doing. This is what you just have to be doing, and that is all. This is what you need to be doing, and that is all. So once you watch ad, you get paid by watching ad. Then just like I said earlier, minimum withdrawal, which I'll show you how to withdraw, is 1 SUI, which is equivalent to 1 point something dollar. Yes, it's equivalent to 1 point something dollar. So guys, as you can see, in order to withdraw, click on this withdraw icon here. This platform is currently paying. As I'm doing this video, is currently paying. Now what you have to do, to request withdrawal, you have to click on this select method. Then you can use your Binance Pay ID, minimum, which is 1 SUI, and then even this one. So anyone you can choose, but I recommend either this one or this one. So you can select it like this, and then you enter the amount. And don't forget that I said the minimum withdrawal is 1 SUI. Then you click on submit withdrawal, and then guys, you can also invite your friends to boost your earning. You can invite your friends to boost your earning. Here you share the link to your friends. So this is how you can be able to earn some money using this particular Telegram app. This is how you can be able to earn money. Once you click on, you start earning, and you can be able to earn. So this is my balance, and then when I'm about to withdraw, I will make another video again, a successful video on how to withdraw. Please, if you are watching from YouTube, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are watching from Facebook, follow us for more updates. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Very, very important. See you on our next update. Bye bye.